Hey friends, if you wish to disable start menu web search on Windows 11, then please watch this video. So we have this irritating web search here. Whenever I try searching anything, it shows web files and all. So people don't like that, and there is no switch to do to disable it. But we can do it through the registry editor. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and go to the registry editor window. Go to HE current user software policies Microsoft Windows. Now under Windows, you'll create a new key named Explorer. Right click, new key Explorer. Okay, and then the DWORD 32-bit entry named Disable Search Box Suggestions. Right click, new DWORD 32-bit value, Disable Search Box Suggestions. Double click on it, change the value data to 1, click on OK and restart your computer. The problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.